ChatGPT is a cutting-edge language generator created by OpenAI. This neural network-based model is trained on a massive amount of text data, allowing it to understand and respond to a wide range of natural language inputs. It can generate human-like text, making it the perfect application for chatbots, virtual assistants, and even content creation. Imagine being able to write an entire article or even a book just by giving ChatGPT a few prompts. It's not just limited to text generation, though. It can also answer questions, summarize text, and perform legal document analysis. This makes it a powerful tool for businesses and organizations that want to improve customer engagement and streamline operations. Another great feature of ChatGPT is its ability to learn and adapt over time. As it is exposed to more and more data, its accuracy and performance improves. This means the more you use it, the better it gets. ChatGPT is a powerful and versatile language model that has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with technology. Whether you're a business owner looking to improve customer service, a developer working on a new app, or just someone interested in the latest advancements in AI, ChatGPT is definitely worth checking out.